everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect a fiber patch cable from either your ISP to a network switch. So here we have a network switch and fiber patch cable and also a transceiver module. So let's get started. First, we have to identify whether the switch has the SFP module. So this is called an SFP module. So let's remove it and see. So this is an SFP module. Now let's take the fiber patch cable. So this is a fiber patch cable and these are its ends. Let me show you. Okay. So now I'll show you how to connect this fiber patch cable to the network switch we have. So for that we need a transceiver module. So this is a SFP transceiver module and this is how it will look like. So first let's connect the SFP module to the SFP port in the switch and make sure you lock it properly. Okay, now we secured the SFP module onto the switch. Now let's connect the fiber patch cable. It's very simple, you just have to connect it. Okay, make sure it's secured properly. So that's how you have one end connected to the network switch. So the other end you can directly connect it to the ISP. That's how you get the internet from the ISP to the network switch. So this is it about this video. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. Thank you.